In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Adobe Illustrator keyboard shortcut keys not working. If your shortcuts suddenly stopped responding, tools aren't switching, or commands like undo aren't working, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and in most cases, it's super easy to fix. I'll walk you through 4 simple steps that will get your shortcuts working again in just a few minutes. Make sure to watch until the end, because the last step fixes almost every stubborn shortcut problem. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Illustrator tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1 is to make sure Illustrator is actually active. This might sound obvious, but sometimes the issue is simply that Illustrator isn't the selected window. Click once directly on your artboard to make sure the document is active. Now test a couple of basic shortcuts. Press V on your keyboard to activate the selection tool. Then try Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to undo something. If those shortcuts work now, the problem was just that Illustrator wasn't active. If they're still not working, move on to the next step. Step 2 is to exit text editing mode. This is one of the most common reasons keyboard shortcuts stop working. If you previously used the Type tool and you still see a blinking text cursor inside a text box, Illustrator is in text editing mode. When you're editing text, many global shortcuts won't respond because Illustrator assumes you're typing. To fix this, press the Escape key on your keyboard. Then press V to switch back to the Selection tool. Once you're back to the Selection tool, test your shortcuts again. Try V, try Ctrl or Command+Z, and try a few other tool shortcuts. In many cases, this immediately solves the issue. If your shortcuts are still not working, step 3 is to reset the keyboard shortcut set. Sometimes the shortcut profile gets changed or corrupted. To reset it, go to the top menu and click Edit. Then choose Keyboard Shortcuts. A dialog box will open. At the top, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Set. Click on that drop-down and choose Illustrator Defaults. This restores all shortcuts to the original factory settings. Click OK to confirm. After doing this, close Illustrator completely and then reopen it. Once Illustrator restarts, test your shortcuts again. For most users, this fixes any shortcut mapping issues. If nothing has worked so far, step 4 is to reset Illustrator preferences. This is the most powerful fix, and it solves almost every persistent shortcut problem. First, close Illustrator completely. Make sure it is not running at all. Now reopen Illustrator, but immediately hold down a key combination while it's launching. On Windows, hold Ctrl, Alt, and Shift at the same time. On Mac, hold Command, Option, and Shift. Keep holding the keys until you see a prompt asking if you want to delete the Adobe Illustrator settings file. Confirm that you want to delete the preferences. Illustrator will now reset to its default state. Once it opens, test your keyboard shortcuts again. In almost every case, they will be fully restored and working properly. And that's it. Those are the 4 proven ways to fix Adobe Illustrator keyboard shortcut keys not working. Start by making sure the app is active, exit text editing mode, reset the shortcut set, and if needed, reset your preferences completely. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future Illustrator tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.